In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable natural language processing in your Einstein bot using Salesforce. This powerful feature will allow your bot to understand and respond to user queries in more intuitive ways. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set it up. First, we're going to start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a gear icon. This is your gateway to the setup area. Click on the gear icon to open the setup page, where you can access a vast array of tools and settings to customize and enhance your Salesforce environment. Once you're into the setup area, you'll find a search bar at the top left side of your screen called Quick Find. In this bar, type in Einstein bots and you'll see a list of options appear. Click on Bot Templates. From here, you'll be able to see your existing bots. Choose the bot you want to configure by clicking Open Bot. This takes you into the Bot Builder environment, a central hub allowing you to design and refine the way your bot interacts with users. Now it's time to enable dialogue intent, which is key to integrating natural language processing functionalities into your bot. In the Bot Builder interface, locate the Enable Dialogue Intent option and activate it. This setting will allow the bot to understand user intentions through various conversational cues. Once dialogue intent is enabled, navigate over to the Dialogue Intent tab. This area is dedicated to configuring specific intents, which are essentially tasks or actions you want your bot to perform. It's crucial to organize these intents to match the structure of common customer inquiries and requests. The next step involves adding utterances for each intent. In bot language, utterances are the different ways users might phrase a question or command. For example, if you're configuring an intent related to checking account balances, include various utterances like, "What's my balance?" or "How much do I have in my account?" This diverse range of language ensures your bot is prepared to handle the nuances of human communication effectively. After you've set up all your intents and utterances, it's essential to save your work. Make sure everything looks good, then proceed to activate your bot. Activating your bot is the final step that launches your hard work into action, allowing your customers to benefit from the enhanced natural interaction capabilities. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled natural language processing in your Einstein bot, empowering it to engage with users in a more human-like and responsive manner. This setup not only enhances the user experience, but also greatly improves the efficiency of your customer service operations. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you unlock the full potential of your bots with ease and confidence.